Welcome to Spellbinders August 2026 large die of the month, Boo-Mobile. Let's take a look at the dies included in this kit. These dies create a Boo-Mobile. Die cut pieces from various colors of cardstock and assemble with glue and foam adhesive as shown. These dies create the skull headlights for the Boo-Mobile. These dies create a witch hat. These dies create bat wings. These dies create a spooky eye. These dies create a ghost. These dies create a skull and bones. These dies create sentiment banners. And finally, these dies create legs. You can decorate the Boo-Mobile with various die cuts to customize it. Let's make a card. Stamp a sentiment from August 2026 clear stamp of the month in black ink onto a blush cardstock panel cut to 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches and partially embossed using August 2026 embossing folder of the month. Adhere your panel to an A2 top folding card base. Add passengers to the Boo-Mobile using glue and foam adhesive. Add the back car piece cut from vellum. Adhere it using glue. And foam mount the Boo-Mobile onto the card base. Foam mount the flying eye. And embellish your card with gems and enjoy! Thank you for joining Spellbinders Clubs. Have fun creating!